Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on our exclusive review of the top 5 best barbecue machines in 2025. This video unveils the ultimate grilling innovations, blending style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned to discover a surprising feature in our number 1 pick that could redefine your barbecue experience. Let's elevate your outdoor cooking game. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Ninja Woodfire Pro Outdoor Grill and Smoker OG751BRN, a groundbreaking 7-in-1 cooking marvel. From grilling to air frying, this portable electric grill redefines outdoor cooking with 100% authentic smoky flavors. Stay tuned to discover its innovative features that could revolutionize your barbecue experience. Master Grill. The Ninja Woodfire Pro delivers the power of a full-size propane grill, offering unmatched char and searing capabilities. Imagine achieving steakhouse quality results from a compact, portable grill. Its weather-resistant design ensures year-round use, making it perfect for every backyard chef or adventurous outdoor enthusiast. Foolproof Barbecue Smoker. This grill's barbecue smoker feature is a game-changer. With just half a cup of Ninja Woodfire pellets, you'll create authentic barbecue bark and flavor effortlessly. Enjoy rich smoky notes without the hassle of traditional smoking methods, ideal for mouth-watering ribs, briskets, and more. Outdoor Air Fryer. Transform your favorite air-fried dishes with a smoky twist using the outdoor air fryer. From crispy wings to roasted veggies, this feature adds unparalleled versatility, allowing you to cook entire meals outdoors with ease. Exclusive Ninja Woodfire Pellets. The Ninja's real hardwood pellets enhance flavor rather than act as fuel. Choose between robust and all-purpose blends to elevate any dish. Combined with electric convenience, it's perfect for apartments or small spaces. Conclusion. The Ninja Woodfire Pro is the ultimate all-in-one outdoor cooking solution. Whether grilling, smoking, or air frying, this innovative grill guarantees delicious results every time. Ready to transform your cookouts? Don't miss the chance to own this culinary powerhouse. Number 4. The Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 3 18-inch Charcoal Grill and Smoker, a masterpiece that blends premium craftsmanship, innovative features, and unmatched versatility. This grill doesn't just cook, it transforms outdoor dining. Stick around to learn why it's a must-have for grill enthusiasts everywhere. Revolutionary Slow Roller Technology. At the heart of the Classic Joe Series 3 is the Slow Roller Hyperbolic Smoke Chamber, developed with Harvard science. This innovation circulates heat and smoke in waves, surrounding your food with rich flavor and eliminating hotspots. Imagine perfectly smoked briskets or ribs infused with unmatched depth of flavor. 3-tier divide and conquer system. Cooking multiple dishes at once? The 3-tier divide and conquer system lets you cook at different temperatures and styles simultaneously. Whether searing steaks, roasting veggies, or baking pizzas, this half-moon design expands your culinary creativity like never before. Control Tower Top Vent. Rain or shine, the Control Tower Top Vent ensures precise airflow management for perfect temperature control. Smoke at a low 225 degrees Fahrenheit or sear at a fiery 750 degrees Fahrenheit. It's all possible with this cast aluminum, dual adjustment marvel. Effortless Dome Operation. The air lift hinge revolutionizes ease of use, reducing the dome weight so significantly it lifts with just one finger. Experience comfort without compromising durability or heat retention. Conclusion. The Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 3 isn't just a grill, it's a gateway to culinary excellence. With its cutting-edge features and timeless design, this grill redefines outdoor cooking. Ready to elevate your grilling game? This is your ultimate companion. Number 3. The Char-Broil Performance Series 4 Burner Gas Grill, a stainless steel grilling powerhouse designed for versatility and ease. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or perfecting weeknight meals, this grill delivers every time. Stay tuned to discover features that make it a must-have for any grilling enthusiast. Powerful cooking performance. With a 36,000 BTU main grill and an additional 10,000 BTU side burner, this grill heats up quickly and maintains even temperatures. Its electronic ignition system ensures a hassle-free start every time. From searing steaks to boiling water, the performance will leave you amazed. Spacious cooking area. Featuring 475 square inches of primary cooking space, this grill can handle up to 24 burgers at once. The additional 130 square inch warming rack is perfect for keeping food warm or cooking with indirect heat. Say goodbye to overcrowded grilling sessions. Convenient side features. The side burner adds versatility for preparing sauces or side dishes, while the large side shelf provides ample workspace. When not in use, flip down the side burner lid for extra prep space. Its functionality meets thoughtful design. Durable and easy to clean. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates resist rust, retain heat for even cooking, and are a breeze to clean. A removable grease tray simplifies cleanup, ensuring a mess-free grilling experience every time. Nighttime grilling made easy. With LED illuminated control knobs and a lid-mounted temperature gauge, this grill makes evening cookouts effortless. The stylish lighting not only looks great but also adds functionality for precise temperature management at night. Conclusion. The Char-Broil Performance Series 4-burner gas grill is the ultimate combination of power, durability, and convenience. Its innovative features are designed to elevate your grilling experience. Ready to transform your cookouts? This grill is the perfect choice for beginners and seasoned grill masters alike. Number 2. The Traeger Grill's Ironwood 885 Electric Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker, a game-changer in wood-fired cooking. If you're looking for precision, versatility, and mouth-watering results, this grill delivers it all. Stick around to see why this is the ultimate choice for your backyard BBQs. Authentic wood-fired flavor. Say goodbye to gas and charcoal. The Ironwood 885 uses wood pellets for that rich, smoky flavor only wood can provide. With a maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit and advanced temperature control, you'll achieve consistent, delicious results every time, perfect for searing steaks or slow-smoking briskets. Woodfire technology. Stay connected with Woodfire technology. Control your grill's temperature, monitor cooking progress, and adjust settings from anywhere using the Traeger app. Whether you're in the kitchen or lounging with friends, grilling has never been more convenient or high-tech. 6-in-1 versatility. The Ironwood 885 is more than a grill, it's a 6-in-1 cooking powerhouse. Grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue with ease. From smoked ribs to baked pies, this grill handles it all, making it your ultimate outdoor kitchen companion. Ample cooking space. With 885 square inches of cooking area, this grill is built for family feasts and big gatherings. Fit up to 10 chickens, 7 rib racks, or 9 pork butts effortlessly. The built-in meat probe ensures perfect doneness every time. Effortless cleaning and durability. Porcelain-coated grill grates make cleanup a breeze, while locking caster and all-terrain wheels ensure easy maneuverability. The D2 drivetrain starts faster, heats quicker, and produces superior smoke quality for incredible flavor every cook. Conclusion. The Traeger Grill's Ironwood 885 is the ultimate wood pellet grill, combining advanced technology, versatile cooking options, and unmatched flavor. Ready to revolutionize your grilling experience? Get the Ironwood 885 and take your barbecue game to the next level. Number 1. The Weber Genesis E335 Liquid Propane Gas Grill, a grill designed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Packed with innovative features, this grill is perfect for chefs of all levels. Stick around to see why it's a must-have for grilling enthusiasts in 2025. Extra-large sear zone. The extra-large sear zone is a game-changer. Its intense heat can handle multiple steaks at once, delivering those perfect sear marks every grill master dreams of. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or hosting a party, this feature ensures everyone gets their meal hot and fast. Versatile cooking options. With the Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection, you can customize your grill for pizza, griddles, searing, and even Dutch oven cooking. It's more than a grill, it's your outdoor culinary playground. Just imagine the endless possibilities for delicious creations. Side burner and storage. The convenient side burner lets you sauté veggies, heat sauces, or cook sides while grilling. Plus, the grill locker keeps your large tools and grillware organized, making it easier than ever to multitask like a pro. Superior heat control. The Pure Blue burners provide consistent heat across the entire grilling surface. Combined with porcelain enameled, cast iron grates, you'll achieve even cooking every time, whether you're grilling burgers or slow roasting a chicken. Easy cleanup and flavor boosting. Thanks to the grease management system and flavorizer bars, cleanup is a breeze, and your food is infused with smoky, grilled flavor. No flare-ups, no fuss, just pure grilling joy. Conclusion. The Weber Genesis E335 redefines backyard grilling with its premium features and versatility. Ready to transform your cooking game? This grill is your ticket to extraordinary meals and unforgettable gatherings. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.